In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of videos not playing on WhatsApp web when using a PC. If you've ever faced the frustration of trying to watch a video on WhatsApp web only for it to not play, this guide is designed to help you resolve that. It's a fairly common issue, but fortunately there are several straightforward steps you can take to fix it. Let's start with the simplest solution, refreshing the page. Sometimes a minor glitch can prevent videos from playing, and a quick refresh of your browser can often resolve these temporary issues. It might sound basic, but it's always worth trying first. Next, let's tackle your browser's cache and cookies. These files store lots of data that help websites like WhatsApp web function smoothly. However, they can sometimes contain outdated or corrupted information that interferes with video playback. By clearing your cache and cookies, you essentially provide a clean slate for your browser to fetch fresh data, which can often resolve playback issues. If clearing the cache doesn't resolve the problem, try logging out of WhatsApp web and then logging back in. This can help refresh your connection to the app, resolving any temporary login issues that might be disrupting your ability to play videos. Then there's your internet connection. A stable and robust connection is crucial for video streaming. If you're experiencing a weak or unstable connection, videos might fail to play or download properly. Make sure that your internet is functioning correctly and consider resetting your router if necessary. It's also important to ensure you're using a supported browser. WhatsApp web performs best on certain browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Make sure you are using one of these browsers and that is updated to the latest version to ensure smooth video playback. Another technical aspect to consider is any browser extensions you might have installed, particularly ad blockers. While these can enhance your browsing by blocking unwanted content, they can sometimes interfere with media playback on certain websites, including WhatsApp web. Try disabling your ad blocker or other extensions to examine if they are the culprit. Finally, a classic solution to many tech issues, restarting your device. Whether it's your computer or mobile device, a restart can clear temporary software glitches that might be affecting how WhatsApp web functions. It's a good step to try when other solutions have not worked. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of videos not playing on WhatsApp web. Go through each one in order until your problem is fixed, ensuring a seamless viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you get back to enjoying videos on the platform.